Is this a fire hazard? It's going to get dangerous in the way that we like. And I can't wait. So, lo and behold, a fire is about to happen. It's been smoking on the freeway. I had to stop several times. It's time to at least swap out the valve cover gaskets and take care of that right now because it's about to burn down, like no joke. You see that? I don't know if you see this. This is all straight steel. There's no dirt here because I had to get some brake cleaner and clean off the oil that was smoking over here on the what is this, bank 2? I don't know what bank this is. On this side, passenger side, you can see it's not dirty anymore. It's clean, fresh steel, sweating profusely. This is a fire in a burned down truck waiting to happen. Lo and behold, I also found something else. I'm gonna grab my camera so that you can really see it. Oh, that hose is hot. But this hose right here, I think that's the transmission fluid hose. That is leaking now too. So that's another thing I gotta maybe repair. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's hot in here. So I'm gonna start disconnecting everything and putting a new valve cover gasket on here so I don't burn down on the freeway. Disconnect this so we don't waste battery out here or get shocked. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Screwdriver. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just a CVT sensor or something. Kinda don't want to take this off. We'll see if I don't have to. Oh, it just comes out. Beep. I'm trying to get this done within 2 hours, you know, without ruining the truck or forgetting to screw in something that causes a fire anyways. That defeats the purpose of doing this whole job in the first place without ruining parts. Okay, disconnect from the fuel rail. All right. Whew. That feels therapeutic. Beep. I think I might want to take off the spark plugs. Maybe not. Do I have to? Yeah, I do. They're connected. Is this a 7? Okay. I don't want to use, let me see, impact on these short screws, on these small screws, because they break, like this one. I had to go to Home Depot and get a replacement, makeshift. So I need to be careful. So this is a 6. See if 6 works. Maybe it's 7. 6, 7. No. Careful. 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 Okay. So scary. Like if I break a bolt, like the whole project is fucked up. Like I have to put everything back together or something. Like it changes the trajectory, like plot twist, you know? So I gotta make sure I gotta take care of these bolts and nuts and bolts, and be careful because entropy is unforgiving. Nice and clean a little bit. I mean, it's way better. Let me see. So this part's scary, I'm not gonna lie, because these do break. I mean, here we go. Oh shit. There we go. It's going a little bit. Maybe I should put some. No, there's no. It's sealed. You know. It's going a little bit. Oh, that's so scary. You can't just take them all off at once. There's a certain way to take them off. Okay, so it seems like go boop, 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 boop. So that's what we're gonna do. Jeez, I think I tightened these too tight. Okay, so the battery's about to die. I need to bring a charger to make sure I can record non-stop. Well, I need to be careful with this right here. It's like the VVT or CVT something. I need 2 hands. Okay, is there another bolt here? There is another bolt here. Hold up. This bolt is so loose. Maybe that's what's causing the leak. I don't know, but it was not even tight. I want to clean all this stuff before I take this valve cover off. It's ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna throw in a screw just to hold it so I could clean this debris up. So that's the difference. Clean it up a bit. I'm gonna do that for the rest of it. Back over it with the compressor. Ladies and gentlemen, this is tricky. This side is harder to take off than that side. This wire harness is all up in the way. What else is up in the way? This is in the way. This, I don't know what else I have to take off. Can I just rotate this and... Looks like I can. Okay, what's in the back that's holding it? You know, like something's in the back. The gasket is totally wet. So I know, yeah, for sure it's leaking. Don't copyright me. What is that? Is that? Oh my God, yes. Jesus. Fighting with the valve cover is not making it easy to keep things clean. Because the thawing, my engine's thawing. There's definitely wear here. Hopefully this thing doesn't destroy itself and eat itself if anything happens. I have to get it. So let's start cleaning. Mandatory root beer, sugar-free. Absolutely necessary. I wouldn't be able to do this without that. I'm joking. Totally joking. I joke. I kid. I may just only be able to do one bank for today and then come back the next day. We shall see. Try not to do too much for my brain. You know, stressing out, trying to be Superman with everything, you know. That's how you get burnout. I learned that the hard way. So I'll pace myself, not do too much. And hopefully I could do both sides today. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Well, now you see what it looks like in here. I'm trying to keep things not so dirty, but so I'm gonna start scraping off this, whatchamacallit? The gasket sealer, where it has Permatex, and I'm gonna shave that off with a blade. And then put some new stuff, put a couple beads, and then throw it back, put everything back together. I don't like that. Should have cleaned this before. Nothing's perfect, you know? MacGyver to the rescue. Oh yeah. Got some in my eye. Doesn't have to be super clean. I just want it clean enough so that if there's any more leaks, I can see exactly where it's at. Save the knees. I think that's all I need, really. That's just gonna, let me see. These strings. Don't tell me these are the wrong one. Don't tell me these are the wrong ones. Nope, it's correct. Okay, Jesus Christ. I was about to say, not again. Okay. Sheesh. Don't do this to me, God. Oh, no, what I did, man. What did I do? Okay. All right, Jesus. Clean it up. Mandatory. All right, what's this talking about? Let's, trouble with back here is if I could do something that would make this easier. Okay. So what's the plan? The plan is take these towels off, put some gasket maker oil, let's throw the valve on. I'm not planning on keeping the engine. I may upgrade the parts, we'll see. Just temporarily, but I have to change the engine to a Coyote to put the Whipple on, because putting the Whipple on with this engine, the stock engine, I mean, I guess it could work, but well, you know, we want to go performance dream build, you know, not drag race either. I want this to be a monster daily driver. That's the record. Bead and a bead, okay? Put 2 beads, bead it up. So there's nothing. Here we go. Listen, I'm not fucking around, okay? I'm not fucking around. Oh shit. I'm not fucking around. Okay. Everybody stay calm. Maybe zip tie it. Round 2. Please don't fall out. Maybe I'll put some beads on gasket so it stays not so dirty. He is flirting with me. Playing hard to get. You know you won't. Oh shit. Jesus Christ. Oh, yeesh. That's my name. Mandatory. You can do anything. Oh yeah. It's the part where both snap. Both heads snap. I'm not doing that today. Even if it's a little loose or not fucking super tight, I'm not snapping a bolt. Because I'd rather have it somewhat tight or tighter than no tightness at all because the bolt snap. You know what I mean? Lesser of the two evils. Let's put this bitch back together. Surgical. Wrong tool for the wrong job. Alright. It's alright. What else we got here? So these are in. Everything's in here. I just need to figure out how to lock this down. I don't understand. So what I'm gonna do, instead of keep doing the same exact thing and expecting a different result, I'm gonna search online to see how to close that up. I got it. After further inspection, I need to push this red pin in, then slide down this red lever. So let's go ahead and do it. Boom, red pin, slide it down. Easy tomato. That's one thing that I learned is when you're fighting it too much, you're probably doing it wrong. Stop, get some help. All right, let's fire this baby up. Let's see what's going on. Moment of truth. With no smoke. If it starts smoking on the side of the road, then I know I have another problem. It's not smoking right now. So, dang. No engine light for right now. No smoke. I don't smell nothing weird. Let's see.